Well, another weekend, another car show, and this Saturday I'm down here in I believe it's Cornelius, I'm not sure, but we're meeting here at a Circle K with a bunch of the guys from the Tack Twisters Car Club. We're meeting here, and then we're going to drive over to the church here in a little bit. It was an hour drive for me to get here, and I think it's about another 10 minutes over to the church from here where we're going. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we made it over here from the Circle K. We're at Asbury Methodist Church in Huntersville, North Carolina. Every year they have a car show, benefit, fundraiser type thing. And a few of the guys in the club are members here at the church, and I told them I would bring the car down here. So let me see if we can get it over there, and I'll see you in a little bit. Made it. As you can see, I made it over here. A little hectic this morning. Normally I park the trailer facing uphill, and I parked it facing downhill. Well, you see where it was parked, and I needed the guys to come over there and help me push it out of the trailer. So I forgot to record and hook up the camera. Just grabbed it at the last minute to run over here, but I'll take a quick walk around. I'm gonna see if we can interview a few people We got a bunch of nice cars here. Sharp looking pickup truck.
Drag cars got drag tires on the back.
I know. You gotta fix this.
This is Tom from the Tack Twisters. He's got a small box Chevy in mid-engine. I'll see if I can get a hold of Tom later on. He could tell us more about it. That's pretty cool. '68? 69? It's nice. I had a 68.
Did you?
I forget the button on a 68, right? And it's the latch on a 69.
Right.
It's been a long, I had it in high school. It was a long time ago.
Yeah. A couple years ago anyway.
Yeah. Time flies.
Yeah, it does.
That's pretty. One of them cars I wish I never got rid of. Right?
Yeah. We were talking about that a little while ago. I have a 66 Ford Fairlane. Back in high school, I wish I had that thing
Back, yeah. Mine was a small block with a convertible, 327 convertible.
Okay, yeah.
But they're nice.
I've still got a 69 Z28 too, all original.
All original, yeah. Wow.
I had it out here last year.
How long have you had this?
About 2 years.
You don't mind them filming this?
Yeah,
It's
about
all right?
2 years. Yeah.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about the Z28?
I've had it since like 2013.
13.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Totally restored it.
Mhm. Is this pretty much how you bought it, this one? Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. I've done a little bit to it. I'm still working on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some new headers on it. Probably come out with some side pipes. on
Side ply, I was going to say.
it. Get a little growl out of it.
Yeah. I couldn't drive mine with the stock steering wheel. I had to put a smaller wheel on it because I'm so tall. My knee got caught between the steering wheel and the door.
It will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't. That's one of the first times. This is the first car show I've ever taken this one to.
Is it? Yeah. That's all I do since I retired.
Yeah.
I go every week.
Every week now.
Car show. At least one a week.
Yeah.
Every week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's a labor of love, man.
I've been very fortunate, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I trailered mine here. I'm parked over on my trailer's
Is
on
that
the
your T-bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah, That's pretty badass sounding.
Yeah. It was a little chilly this morning. I live up in Union Grove.
Oh, do you? Okay.
And it was an hour drive. We met at the Circle K, another 15-minute drive over to here.
Yeah,
I can't go. I could only go about 30 miles.
Oh, yeah. So you drove it all the way?
No.
No.
I trailered it on the other side of the church.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
I mean, I got a 24-gallon fuel cell, and I got a range of 30 miles.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm running on methanol, so
Okay.
I can't stop and get gas. You know, I do,
Gotcha.
whatever
Yeah.
fuel I bring is what I got, and there's no room in the T-bucket to carry any fuel.
Right.
So
Okay, it's like you're probably getting gallons per mile.
Yeah.
I get,
Yeah,
I
miles per
got,
gallon.
I get 1.5 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get worse than I do in our RV.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good deal. How long did it take you to build that?
I bought the thing 4 years ago with a small block Chevy in it, and I had it 2 years with a small block Chevy in it, cruised around with it, and had a lot of fun with it.
Yeah.
And I always wanted a blower car, and I always wanted an alcohol car, so
Yeah.
I went and built that motor.
Yeah.
It took me about a year to build it, and now I've had it in there about a year and a half.
Gotcha.
But like I said, I don't drive it much on this. It's not made for drive. It's
Nah,
made to show. I
what
built
telling
it just to show it.
That's what I
Yeah.
was telling her. That's more for show. Cause that's got so much horsepower. You really can't
Nah.
do much on that small frame like that.
And I set it up old school. It's mechanical fuel injection, so it's either on or it's off.
Gotcha.
There's no mid-range. There's no like taking off easy. Once you crack the throttle, that thing goes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The only thing stopping that thing from blowing up is the return springs. Because if the return springs broke, it would instantly redline. You know what I mean? Yeah.
It does sound good though.
I appreciate it. Let me finish filming here and film some more cars.
I would say get some early, get some in the middle, and then get some late, and then who knows? You might win. So just see, I'm gonna be moving around with the kids.
He paid the same price that I paid for my GTOs, $3,000. Had bought a 65 GTO new, cost me $3,000.
He took the hood off. I figured I'd come back over here and take a look at it.
Yeah, he just took it off.
I get done filming, I'll come back and we'll talk to him.
You got a V8 in this.
Yeah. Nice Bel Air, huh? Pretty color. Firebird. Ooh, an old T-Bird. You don't see many of them. Nice. 57. Nice Corvette.
It's in the show of your pick for $20.
Old 327 Camaro.
Cadillac,
Nice. Oh, look at a little train ride they got for the kids. That's pretty neat.
We're hanging in there. We're all right, so I guess we'll
Used to come over here and hand me things to vote for.
Yeah.
I think they just travel and enjoying life.
Okay, 50.
Darn Ford.
Okay, thank you.
When the screen went dark, I thought, oh. Drop the hammer on it when it gets out there.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Take care. I'm gonna head over there to the other side of the church and get mine loaded up. Like I said, I got about an hour drive home.
Man,
Oh, good.
what Tom say? You put some mufflers on that damn thing.
Did he say anything?
No,
No.
shoot, no, he didn't.
Kidding.
I don't think he was upset about that at all. I think he's just shooting his mouth off.
Well, he was standing like where you're standing, trying to talk to that guy in the car next to me.
Well,
So it was
stand
hard.
like that to fight.
I felt bad for him standing there.
Well, he had a choice to move, didn't he?
You see that guy when I was leaving? The two guys standing there watching me? That one guy had to walk right in front of the pipes. He wanted to feel it.
Oh, he did it on purpose.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was looking at the other guy saying, look at his shirt.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Well, as you can see, I made it back over to the trailer. I had a good time. It was a good show. Really good people. It's Asbury Methodist Church in Huntersville, North Carolina. Some of the guys in the Tack Twisters Club go to this church. So one of the other reasons I come down. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next cruising.